Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to Tax Service LLC and the Let's Talk Taxes Explainer. We're going to just jump right in today because we are tackling a topic that is literally the backbone of a healthy business. We're going to completely demystify the monthly reconciliation process. Now, look, I know that word, reconciliation, can sometimes make small business owners and entrepreneurs a little, nervous. It sounds highly technical, maybe even a bit tedious. But I promise you, by the end of our time today, you're going to view this not as a chore, but as an incredibly empowering tool for your business. So let's get started.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. First, we'll cover the magic of reconciling. Second, our pre-reconciliation checklist. Third, the classic workflow. Fourth, the AI-powered experience. And finally, number 5, troubleshooting the difference.
Okay, Section 1, the magic of reconciling. Let's dive into this.
So, I want to kick things off by asking, what exactly does it mean to reconcile your books? If you've never really thought about the mechanics of it, it can feel like a bit of a mystery. But I want you to completely reframe this task in your mind right now. Think of reconciling as a simple, stress-free spot the difference game. You know, like the ones you played as a kid? You are literally just playing a game of matching what happened out there in the real world with what is showing up on your computer screen. That is really it.
Essentially, reconciliation is simply the process of making sure the records you keep in your accounting software perfectly match your bank and credit card statements. When you achieve this perfect match, you are ensuring your business records are absolutely 100% accurate. It means no missing expenses, no forgotten deposits, and total confidence in your financial health. Honestly, it is the ultimate peace of mind for any business owner.
Moving right along to Section 2, our pre-reconciliation checklist, because getting set up properly is everything.
To really set yourself up for success, you're going to want to follow these steps before you even hit that reconcile button. Step 1. Connect your bank and credit card accounts directly to your software. Step 2. Ensure you record all the money coming in and going out for the month. Step 3. Categorize all those transactions properly. And Step 4. Have your actual bank statement handy. I cannot emphasize this enough, guys. Connecting your accounts and categorizing your transactions first is absolutely the fastest, best way to keep your books accurate. When your system is automatically pulling data directly from the bank, half the battle's already won before you even begin the matching game.
All right, Section 3, the classic workflow.
So here are the steps for the classic, traditional workflow. First, you'll navigate over to your settings and hit Reconcile. You'll choose your account, and then, now this is vital, you will carefully enter the ending balance and the ending date exactly as they appear on your physical or digital bank statement. Actually, scratch that. Make sure you double-check that your opening balance matches too, just to be safe. Then, you simply compare the items on your statement to the records on your screen. If they match in date and amount, you manually place a little check mark right next to them. If you see something on your screen that isn't on the statement, don't check it. The really great news here is, if you followed our pre-reconciliation checklist and connected your accounts, you'll delightfully find that a ton of items are already pre-cleared and checked off for you.
Now, this brings us to 2 distinct paths you can take. You've got the classic workflow we just discussed, which is a bit more hands-on, requiring manual comparison and actively clicking check marks to clear those matches. But on the other hand, we have the AI-powered workflow. This features automated statement extraction and some pretty amazing tech to resolve tricky items. It's a fantastic contrast between the traditional hands-on method and the automated option that's available on certain advanced plans. Which leads us perfectly into Section 4, the AI-powered experience. In this modern, upgraded workflow, you actually start by uploading your bank statement directly into the system, and the software will automatically extract the data for you. Because of this, your ending balance and statement dates are going to pre-populate automatically. Though, you should always give them a quick double check just to be sure. From there, you'll look at the status column. A cleared status means the AI did its job perfectly and found a match based on the extracted description and amount. A review status means action is needed. And okay, here is the absolute best part. If a transaction is marked for review, you just click the sparkle icon. That sparkle icon tells the AI to dive in, diagnose the specific issue, and actually suggest a resolution for you. Once fixed, it clears automatically. It's literally like having a little digital assistant right inside your books.
Finally, we have Section 5, troubleshooting the difference. Let's bring this all together.
And there it is, the golden zero. $0.00. This is the exact moment we are working towards. When you verify all the items from your statement in your software, your difference should be exactly 0. Reaching this 0 difference is the ultimate proof that your software perfectly mirrors your bank statement. It means your real-world money matches your on-screen money flawlessly.
But what if that number isn't 0?
Please, don't panic. Seriously, it happens to absolutely everyone at some point. Let's turn what can be a moment of high anxiety into a calm, actionable investigation. If you have a difference, just walk through these steps. Step 1. Start your investigation by verifying your beginning balance, and ending date. A simple typo here is so often the culprit. Step 2. Check any transactions you manually entered to see if you can spot an error in the amount. Step 3. Hunt for duplicate transactions. Sometimes things just get entered twice by mistake. And Step 4. Once you find the culprit, simply select the item, edit the details to match the real world, save it, or uncheck a duplicate. It's really just detective work.
Now, I do have to give you a very important warning here. If you get frustrated during your investigation, you might see an option pop up in your software to just finish and accept the difference. If you do this, your accounting software will create a journal entry that forcibly adjusts your books. Please, I am begging you, fight the temptation to just click accept. Forcing a balance through an adjusting entry just masks the real problem. It is always, always best to find the actual error, or even better, consult a professional to help you track it down.
And hey, that is exactly why we are here. Reconciling doesn't have to be a burden you carry alone. Let us help you achieve perfectly balanced books every single month. We provide practical tips, real-world insights, and hands-on support so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business, while we handle the numbers. I highly encourage you to visit demorataxservice.com and click the Bookkeeping tab right at the top of the page. You can also reach out to us directly by emailing thebooksadvisory@gmail.com for more information, tailored services, and dedicated support. So leave today with this question. Is your current bookkeeping process giving you the ultimate peace of mind, or is it time for an upgrade? Thank you for listening to Let's Talk Taxes podcast.